on, guys? I'm also really happy to announce that we're now working with Boss Audio. They sent us this care package and we're gonna open it up, see what we got. This is for the Trailblazer SS build. Oh shit. Send us over the Cube 10 woofer. So let me see. We're gonna put this one in tomorrow, I believe. So really excited about that. Not much of a woofer guy, but well, mostly for the space, but this is pretty small. Like, it's good enough for me. It's for the space I need. It's probably gonna go like right here somewhere. And oh shit, well, what do you know, we got another box. Let's see what else we have here. It's like Christmas. Oh, check that out. We got the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto doubled in. Bam. We're also gonna be putting this in tomorrow. Really excited about that. Got some merch right here. Some Boss shirts. Can't go wrong. See, really well packaged. You got all these air tubes and shit. Let's see what else. Oh, well, what do you know? Amp. That's gonna help. Really nice. Look at that. Can't go wrong. Let's see what else we got. Oh shit. What is this? What is this? Oh! Would you look at that? Got some speakers, door speakers and tweeters. I believe they sent us. Oh yeah, there's two in there. So basically, we got everything we need for the truck. And well, what do you know? This is gonna definitely come in handy. A backup cam. Never go wrong. This goes over the license plate. I am gonna tag all this in the description so you guys can get your own. And I believe we also have a new discount code, Jrshowcase. Save 15% off on your purchase. Really happy about this, guys. We're gonna be installing it all tomorrow. Stay tuned. Well, it's probably gonna be the same video, so just keep watching. Alright, I'm out. What's going on, guys? So I'm on my way to the LED HID plug shop. We're gonna do the installation on the Boss audio systems, well, the sound system they sent us. So that should be fun. We're on the way right now. We're here on the 7th.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am, but nowadays I put on for the fam.
Hey, don't pull out yet. Don't pull out.
He said don't pull out yet, bro.
Don't pull out.
Puta madre. Ah, god damn. ¿Se aventará también o no? Fuck that. Oh. So we did a complete overhaul of everything as far as the factory, stereo, door speakers, everything, the amplifier in the back, everything got replaced with the Boss audio systems. We did do for the doors, we had a special order these adapters because they sent over some 6.5s, so we did 6.5 in the front and the back for the door speakers. And we also did these it's like a custom, we custom drilled the door panels to put in some highs, because each box comes with its own set, like so 2 and 2. So we did the originals in the front, so we put highs in the front, and then on the back doors we did the additional 2 highs. So it's really loud, it's really nice. I'm gonna probably try and preview something without some kind of copyrighted music, so stay tuned for that. But I want to say the overall experience was really amazing. These guys are really cool and professional about it. They didn't mind me recording at all, so I'm really thankful for that. And if you guys need anything as far as, you know, LEDs, HIDs, the installation, lights, sound systems, just about anything, they can handle all that for you. I highly recommend them. So I'll link all of their information in the description, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's the power on right there. Got the little warning sign at the start. Let's see. This one does come with the wireless CarPlay. So let's go ahead and connect. Let's see. Let's make sure the Bluetooth's on. Alright, so it does have the wireless CarPlay. Let's turn that on. It's got the map right there. It's got the Apple Music. Now playing. Let's see. I think it has Android Auto too. Let's go to the home button. So we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. See, it has all your features right there. So you can also do Bluetooth if you don't like want to do the other stuff. Settings, all your general stuff. We have the steering wheel control that we added with our guys at the LED shop. So right now I'm controlling it from the steering wheel, but if not, you have the touchscreen button.
That's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me. That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Damn, I think that shit sounds real nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it up a little bit, then I'm gonna show you guys in the back. All right, give me a second.
550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
So there you have it, guys. I gotta say I'm really happy with the way the system came out. Huge shout out to Boss Audio for that. Everything sounds really clear, really great. The bass is amazing. Can't say enough about it. So if you guys want to get the same setup as I have, just go to bossaudio.com, and I'll leave all the information in the description. But don't forget to use our code Jrshowcase for 15% off. And if you're in the LA area, or like right there, they're right off Whittier Boulevard, go ahead and check out the LED HID plug. They can pretty much do anything for you. As you can see, I also put a small clip up of the LED strips we got. I think it's a pretty cool addition. So it could change colors, and you know, you could just kind of ride around with some style. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and do all that other jazz. Alright guys, thanks.
When I can, I'm surrounded by my feelings. I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror. I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything.